How to clear my search history on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys and you open your Snap. After this, when my Snap is opening, you go here on your profile, then you open it. And then when my profile is opening, you will go here to settings and click. Then on settings, you will just go down because this is a long list. You will go to clear search history. Then you will click. After this, they will say if you are sure to clear your history search. So you will say yes, okay, and then it will clear your search history. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next